Hey guys, we're at Napleton off lease. We're by the highway, so it's a bit loud, but check out this G-Wagon 4x4 2. It's a G555. We got a autobiography Range Rover. Apparently it's phase rugs. I don't know if that's true. And a nice Tesla. Let's start with this Range. As you can see, it's got the autobiography brakes. Here's the VIN. But apparently this is phase rugs old car. I don't know how true that is. Just heard that's the case. Let's see. Interesting. And like, look at this G-Wagon. Tony loves this thing.
Okay, like you said, that the bumper thing, I don't think it's worth it to have it on. Because I think it just ruins the whole look.
Yeah, I don't know. The rear, bro.
If it was like matte black, okay, it's like.
He loves it though. This is like, but this thing's like $200,000. I don't know. For a old generation interior too.
Oh, look at that. Look at the buttons on the seat. It's on the side over there, and it moves it up and back for you.
Look at this.
It's a red eye too.
Yeah, red eye. Ka-chow.
Brembo brakes.
Looks good. Tony's into these cars, right?
Yeah.
Guys, holy cow, it is so windy. I'm sorry. I'm trying to fix the mic. I would definitely drive one of these at bars. Gotta love them. Oh. Tony loves these motorcycles.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. What do you think, Tony?
Of course. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. No, I'm not gonna lie. It's a V8 though, yeah? Apparently it's V8. Look at the Audi TT-RS. Holy, I love this car. Like I said in the past, I love it.
If I'm honest, if I lived in like Florida, I'll take the TT just because of the colorway.
Yeah, it's so cool too. Oh, it is a V8. Look at that.
Pre-owned. And you have a 48-hour exchange policy.
Wow. You really sold me there. Jesus. Wait. I just realized, even these, look at that. I can go inside. And Audi TT exhaust is about even bigger.
That's wide, hell more wide.
What the heck, guys?
Look at the rustiness on it.
Yeah, it got beat up a bit. But guys, I love this car. This car's really cool. Yeah, look at this. Then we got an S5 over here. And I'm assuming this is an S4, but I don't know. Or it could just be A4. It looks like an after, or is it? Yeah, it's just A4, guys. Just an A4. Look at this Panamera 4. Oh my God. 4S, I guess I should say. It's back and windy again. There's the car. Beautiful styling with a Jaguar. The F-Type, right? Interior peak. I like the steering wheels on this car. It's pretty neat.
Oh, it's bronze paddle shifters.
Oh, is it really? We got an RC 350. Guys, look at that. Nice. It's a nice blue.
Yeah, but I'll take those.
And look at that. Holy. LC 500, guys. And I love the headlights on this. I think it's so cool with the it looks really neat. And the slope of this car, it looks great. And I saw a ton of these in Florida, I gotta be honest with you. And then a GTS Porsche. I don't know if it's manual, let's see. Look, I love this. Center cap racing wheels. And it's automatic, of course. Oh, Sport Chrono with the yellow dial. I guess, is it dial? I don't know, I forgot my watch terminology. And this Mustang over here has a Roush exhaust and Brimbos and some aftermarket brakes. Pretty neat car. Okay. Oh, look at that. Soul Genesis. I actually like Genesis a lot. I think they're a cool company. Like, look at these.
Nice interior.
Look at the wheels too. And the interior is very nice.
Look how it's so spacious too in the back for a sedan.
Carbon fiber dash. Holy, buddy. Very nice. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed the little short video. Once again, We're at Napleton off lease. Hope you guys enjoyed the short video, but I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Hey guys, check this out. We're driving after the dealership. Look at this car. Look at that. Is that a Morgan? I don't even know what car that is.
We're returning the rich ass
Look at that. It's so cool. Guys, you're into your park. What the hell, yo? What the hell? I'm not the biggest slingshot guy or whatever, but this is just so weird. Like, what? Like in the middle of the parking garage. Oh my gosh. It is stick though. It is stick. Respect. I don't know. Alright, bonus content. That's all. Alright, see ya.